Hi guys, do you know 3 months after I got to UK, I lost my British residential permit card. I was so devastated because there was a job I applied to and I was successful on that job, and they needed to verify my residential permit. Knowing fully well that I lost my residential permit card, I told the agency, I was very sincere, that I just misplaced my British residential permit. So the agency said, well, without your residential permit card, we will not be able to give you the job. So I applied for a new one. In less than 20 days, I got a new British residential permit. On this video, I will be showing you how I applied for my British residential permit, how I got a new one back in less than 20 days. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And don't forget to turn on the notification. My name is Osaige Mary. I will be showing you how I applied for a new British residential permit. Thank you.
All right, so guys, so I'm going to take you through the process of how you can apply for your BROP. First of all, you need to come to this website. The link to this website is at the bottom of the video on this YouTube channel. You just click on apply now. So when you click on apply now, you will see something like, do you currently have an application with the Home Office or leave to remain for which you have not yet received a decision? You said no. Okay, so are you currently in the UK? You said yes. Then register an email. You put your email address, create your password and all of that. Then you continue. You need to fill in your details, and everything is 6 steps. You can see all the steps here. Your application, you will submit some document, some declaration, then you will pay the sum of £75.20. £75.20. Okay, then you submit. Then after you have submitted this, you will receive an email. And what is the email about? Let me show you. This is the email that you are going to receive. Okay, this let me show you now. This is the email you will receive. This is the email you will receive that you have paid £75. You can see it here. This is the amount I paid on the 25th of February. This is the email you will receive. Then after you have received this email, you click on this place to return to your application to book for your appointment. Don't worry about that. You will not go for any appointment. Now, after you have received that email, after you have filled everything to book your appointment, you will receive something like this. Okay, to book your appointment, you receive something like this. You do not need to do anything. Just return to your UK CAS account and fill everything. Now, after you have done that, you will receive another email again. You will receive another email asking you to download a particular app. This is it. You will receive another email. Okay. You do not need to do anything. Then you will now receive this email also asking you to download this app. This app, which is this UK VCAS IDV app, is what you will use to book your appointment. Okay, you will download this app, then you will need to submit your details. This is it. You will submit your detail, which is your email. Okay, and this app is what will be used in replacement of your appointment. You will submit all the documents on this app. Okay, and after submitting your document, you will receive this email. Okay, we have received, or you will receive this email stating that they have received your document and that you should wait. Then before you know it, you will see the delivery of your BROP card. Okay, so you do not need to do anything. This was the day I received my BROP card has been delivered. You can ignore this message. So you can see it's very fast and reliable. If you need any help, guys, you can always contact me. Don't forget, the link to this page where you can use to apply is rightly below the description button to my YouTube channel. On this video, the description button, the link to this page is there. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the like button, and do not forget to share with your friends.
So do you enjoy the video? Do you like the video? Don't forget, when you are applying for your British residential permit card, you will be asked some certain questions which I know that you will have. And secondly, you will need to pay about £75 for it just to get a new one. £75. And then after you have paid, you don't need to go for capturing, like I explained. You don't need to go for capturing. There is an app that they will send you a link on your email. Through that app, you will need to upload everything that you will need to upload. You will need to, do a live capturing of your document. So you cannot upload the document from your phone. You will need to snap it live and send it through that app. And then you will need to picture your face, take a picture of your face. That is what you need to do. You don't need to go to London for capturing. You don't need to go to another center for capturing. All you just need is just to upload your document, and then when you upload it, you will get a mail stating that it has been received, and that is all that you need to do. And after that, you will not get anything. You will get a mail that they have received it, and after that, you will be communicated to. So don't forget to subscribe, please. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are connected to the UK, because anybody can lose their BROP card. It's not a mistake. It does happen. All right. Thank you.